Happy Monday afternoon, everyone. I've got some things going on. Got a transmission. I've been at it for about 2 hours. It's getting late. Just to prove it to you. See, that's a transmission. I'm not going to unwrap it all the way until it's got it partially drained. I got the drive shaft loose. I ain't gonna take that out until I get more drain pans. I don't want to make a mess on the man's floor. This is not my shop, by the way. It's jacked up on all 4 sides. I've got the new torque converter primed. Got 3/4 in it. Hopefully tomorrow, I'll get a little bit farther. Got the shift linkage loose, that's that right there hanging down. Got the transmission partly drained, got tools laying everywhere. Got very careful to put his tools back where he told me to put them. Told me to just leave them on the table. I pulled the distributor. Cap, battery. I've got the top 2 bolts out of the transmission. I'm hoping sometime tomorrow I'll have the old transmission out. Transmission jack, brand new. I'm gonna work that tomorrow. But anyway, that's what we got going on. The guy was kind enough to let me use his shop because my driveway is like that. So that wouldn't have been very safe. Hauled it over here on his heavy duty trailer and truck. Got a blanket on the floor because I don't want to make a mess on the man's floor. But anyway, that's what we got today. Wish me luck tomorrow. I'm gonna try to come over here in the morning, work for a couple of hours, and then maybe come back tomorrow afternoon. See y'all, appreciate you watching. Let me know what you think.